Sela has been given a box of sweets by a close relative. Sela is excited about eating the sweets. Grandfather tells Sela that her uncle, who is in the army, has sent her the sweets for Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the festivals celebrated all over India.
A festival celebrated all over the country by all citizens is called a national festival. It usually marks an important national event in the nation.
We celebrate 3 national festivals in India: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. On Independence Day and Republic Day, there is a flag-hoisting ceremony and the national anthem is sung. A national holiday is celebrated for each national festival.